Hi, I am Mari, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create these brushes with different colors. So let's start. We're going to start with opening a new canvas here, with a new layer, and we're going to use actually a brush that already comes in Procreate for lettering. Now these are mine, so one that comes already in Procreate that I like a lot is this one, the shell brush. So I duplicated here with change of color, but let me show you the original one. So this is the original color. As you can see, I pressure and it gets thicker, but as I release, it is thin. If I pressure, then it gets thicker. So what we're gonna do is to duplicate it. That's what I did here. So I'm gonna repeat the process for you to see it. Slide to the left, duplicate, then we're going to open the properties, and I'm gonna go to color dynamics, and like I want a second color with pressure, we go to color pressure and select secondary color to the maximum. Now here on the right top, we are going to choose these two colors, which color we like. So I have this now, but like I'm using like some colors resembling Kirby here. Let's use yellow, but the color of his eyes are like bluish. That's how it looks like, this yellow with blue on top of pink. Let's try. So as I pressure, I get yellow because my main color is blue. I can change and make my main color yellow, and then we have really thin yellow, and then we have the blue here. Okay, you can change also, let me show you, not only by pressure, but you can change. Let's clear here so you can see it better. This is what we have now. In this panel, you cannot see a second color. The second color is dark, is black. So, but we can see a second color in the stamp or the stroke as well. So in the stamp means that every time you stamp, the stamps that conform the brush. Let's go here to the stroke path. So if you increase the spacing, it will be easier to see those stamps. Let's change here. It cannot be seen in that dark. Let's choose the yellow. Here we're only using actually the second color, so it doesn't look well. Let's use a darker color, or wait, both like darker colors. Now you can see what is happening. So in each stroke, it is mixing my two colors over here. So if I have yellow as I did before and blue, like a dark blue, I will get this with blue, and now with yellow. You can see I get the second color in every stamp. So this change the way we do everything. Let's try reducing the spacing. Let me see if you can see it here now. No, you cannot see, it's still dark. So let's go to color dynamics, and instead of remove the stamp color, now it's only by pressure. Let's take the pressure out just for a little bit, just to see, for you to see, and I'll put the secondary color here in the jitter, only in the jitter, so you will see what I'm talking about. When we increase the steps, it will change the color. Let's clear here, and it will change the color in between. In each stamp, it is mixing the colors that I have here, that I have selected here, depending on what I have in the stamps. And another changes we can create is in the jitter. Let's see how it looks now. Now it's more homogeneous about the mix. and I don't see much of the yellow or even green here if I use the mix. What makes a difference in these three, let's see it now without the spacing. Also we have like a more continuous line. Let's clean here, and you can see now how it looks with these colors. But it is not consistent. As you can see, it is not consistent because every time I create a new stroke, it will change the color. Every time I create a new stroke, because of this option, it will create a new stroke based on my secondary color. If I choose blue, it will go for the secondary color and the mixture of them. Let's clear here and choose again like these two cute colors over here. Those are his glasses, right? And then now I get a mix every time I step in. So, and the last one, let's take the stroke out and the jitter out. The next one is the tilt. When you tilt your pencil, you get different color when you tilt your pencil. But this one, even though I'm tilting and I'm changing the tilt of my pencil, it's not working well because you have to create here in Apple Pencil, you have to create which which tilt you want to use. And then also I don't want this pressure actually. So let's clear here and try again with maybe Kirby's name. Kirby. How you pronounce it? In Spanish we pronounce it Kirby. In English is Kirby, and in Japanese is Kabi. Let's create with maybe like a darker pink. And you can see I have pink with yellow, so I get orange in between. Kirby. And I'm really liking this texture, and you can see it changes the color with the tilt, but you have to create some changes here. I have also some change in color pressure. Let's take that out to see also this difference. Let's clear here and only you can see it is yellow. Almost you cannot see the yellow. It's here yellow, then orange, and then pink. It is very sensitive. You can see the tilting here, what it did, but it also changed the bleed. So if we don't want that, we have to go to Apple Pencil and here in tilt. Yes, we have change in size and change in bleed here. So let's take all this off. Let's see now how it looks. Now we can see that the tilt does change the color. Now it is better for tilting. So now if you want to change the tilt and color, you can remember that you have to change here and play with the Apple Pencil according to the tilt you normally use. I normally go below 30. After that is too much. Let's try 75. So it will be almost, for me, it doesn't feel it. Depends on how much you tilt your pencil, and you have to be used to tilting like that. Let's try another K. Yeah, sometimes it's not easy. Yeah, like in small letters, maybe not easy. But well, you get the point. So now you can create all these different changes around your creation. Let's put secondary, not in the stroke. but here and in the stamp color. Let's see how it looks. This is an extreme changing color. Oh wow, it's too much. I think it's too much because it goes all the time for my secondary color, and that's not what I wanted to do. Let's change the secondary color to a nearby color, but not the background color, like darker color. So it blends too much and it's too similar. This blends with the background. This one blends with the background. And it gets softer when I tilt up. So let's create something now. No by pressure, but yes by jitter plus the tilt. And when you have the similar colors, they're analogous colors, it's really nice because then when you create like when you use the smudge, let's use like a pencil for smudging, then it's really nice. You get a really nice texture, and smudging is very natural when you create this. As you can see, then the smudging is very, very natural of the blending of the two colors. This is a technique I use sometimes when I want to get like softer colors or darker colors. Okay, so I hope you like this tutorial and believe in yourself that you can create all these changing color brushes. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and ask me any question. I will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.